Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. I don't know. Today's video is a celebration, hitting 1K. Your girl reached 1,000 subscribers. Let's celebrate. Thank you guys for being a part of the Fluffiness. I appreciate you guys, okay? You don't know. I appreciate every single one of y'all. But your girl often shows some love. So I'll be doing a giveaway, guys. A giveaway. 2 people. I'm doing 2 people $25 gift cards. $25 gift cards. Or if you have Cash App, even better. If you have Cash App, I'll Cash App you $25. I know it's not that much, but your girl broke and $25 can go a long way, okay? Trust and believe me, you can stretch $25, okay? Alright guys, so here's how you enter. Quick, it's not gonna be long, it's gonna be quick, easy, kinda. So firstly, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel. You don't know, and you gotta have your post notification on for sure. That's number 1. Number 2, you gotta like this video. This video right here, so right here, this video. Hit that like button. That's number 2. That's number 2. Number 3, you gotta follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. That will be down in the description down below, okay? That will be down in the description down below. But if not, it's underscore Tasha, TAS underscore her, HER underscore. What is this now? 4th thing, my most recent picture on my Instagram, tag 3 of your friends to that video. On the comments, tag 3 people. 3 of your friends to my most recent post. You can't miss it. It's like a 1,000 subscriber celebration post. So you can't miss it. Okay. So the last thing, message me in my DM saying you're finished. You did everything that I asked, and send me a screenshot. So what's supposed to be included in the screenshot is that you are subscribed to my channel. Your post notification bell is on. Yes, and you like the video. Okay. So that's what you screenshot and send it to my DM. Yes. And guys, for a bonus points. How tall am I? How tall is your girl? If y'all go back to get to know me video, you'll find the answer there. How tall is Miss Fluffy? I mentioned this a few times, but some of y'all probably don't know. But go check that video out. So you know, extra points, just DM me that on my IG. Let me know how tall I am for extra bonus. I'm doing like a raffle, so I'm gonna put your name down twice if you get that answer right. If you get the answer right, that's extra bonus points for you. And I'll be announcing the winners. So this video is gonna be posted on Friday. I'll be announcing the winners Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday. So y'all stay tuned for that. Next week, Wednesday. Let's celebrate. Your girl is crazy. I appreciate you guys. I remember when I just started out in April, I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna get even 100 freaking subscribers? Like, how am I gonna do it? Like, this is like impossible task. When I finally got 100. I was like, damn. Okay. I was like, damn, how am I gonna get 200? How am I gonna get to $500? How am I gonna get there? Like, that's so much people to get to subscribe. Like, I don't know that many people. Boom, hit 500 subscribers. I was like, okay, on the road to 1,000. But I was like, damn, it's taking me forever to get to 600. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I think been slow. It's like a snail. It's been slowly growing. It wasn't, that thing didn't just skyrocket. Slowly, but surely. And look, here I am from April to December. Finally hit 1K. Guys, you can do it if you're a small YouTuber like myself, trying to get to that 1K. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep on grinding. Push your videos out. You can't be making one video a week, one video a month. No, sir. You can't do that. You can't do that. You gotta push out content after content. Well, like now I'm just doing 3 videos a week. My friend was saying I need to do more, but I was like, I don't have time for. Only got time for 3. Okay, but I'm sorry, guys. I was supposed to post a video last time on Wednesday. I missed that, but here I am for this giveaway. So don't forget, guys. I'm gonna recap it. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. Number 4, tag 3 friends to my recent posts on IG. And number 4, message me done with a screenshot of your subscription, your notification on, and that you like the video. Just take a screenshot, quick, simple, easy. DM me and if you want bonus, the bonus points. Bonus point. How tall is your girl? How tall is Mrs. Fluffy? Okay, you could go back to my video, get to know me tag video. I'll leave that in the description as well to help you out. Yeah, you say I'm trying to help you out. Okay. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. And I appreciate everybody that subscribed to my channel. Woo, welcome to the Fluffiness. Your girl is going down in the DM. Let's rock and roll. Bye, guys. Thanks for being a part of the awesomeness. Lego. Road to 2K. Road to 2K, right? Let's get there. Bye.